Okay, good morning, students. Today you have to see the next lesson, that is zoology, sixth lesson. You have to study evolution. Here you have to study what are the changes it will occur in evolution. What are the desirable changes, heritable changes it will occur in this human beings or any other living organism, that is called evolution. One by one you have to see. First of all, the term evolution is used to desirable character changes in one or more characteristics of a population of a species from one generation to the another generation. That is called evolution. The present state of mankind on earth in the outcome of three kinds of evolution, mostly chemical evolution, organic evolution, and social or cultural evolution is there. First one, origin of life, evolution of life forms. Theory of special creation states that life was created by a supernatural power, respectively referred to as God. According to Hinduism, Lord Brahma created the earth. Christianity, Islam, and most religions believe that God created the universe, the plants, and the animals. According to the theory of spontaneous generation or abiogenesis, living organisms originated from non-living materials and occurred through a stepwise chemical and molecular evolution over millions of years. Thomas Huxley coined the term abiogenesis. Big Bang theory. Next theory is Big Bang theory. This Big Bang theory explains the origin of universe as a singular huge explosion. In physical terms, the primitive Earth had no proper atmosphere but consists of ammonia, methane, hydrogen, and water vapor. That is called water vapor. The temperature of the earth was extremely high. That is, UV rays from the sun split up water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Gradually the temperature cooled and the water vapor condensed to form rain. This rainwater filled all the depression to form water bodies. Ammonia and methane in the atmosphere combined with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide and other gases. Okay, the next, according to the theory of biogenesis, life arose from free existing life. The term biogenesis also refers to the biochemical process of production of living organism. Here abiogenesis is there, biogenesis is also there. Here it mostly depending upon the biochemical process of production of living organism. The term was coined by Henry Bactitian. According to the theory of chemical evolution, primitive organism in the primordial environment to the earth evolved spontaneously from inorganic substances and physical forces as lightning, UV radiations, volcanic activities, etc. Oparin suggested that the organic components could have undergone a series of reactions leading to the more complex molecules. He proposed that the molecules formed colloidal aggregates or co-servative in an aqueous environment. The co-servatives were able to absorb and assimilate organic components from the environment. Haldane proposed that the primordial sea served as a vast chemical laboratory powered by solar energy. The atmosphere was oxygen free and the combination of CO2, NH3 and UV radiation gave rise to organic components. The sea became a hot, dilute soap containing large population of organic monomers and polymers. The envisaged that group of monomers and polymers secured lipid membranes and further developed in a first living cells. Haldane coined the term prebiotic soap and is become the powerful symbol of the Oparin Haldane view on the origin of life 1924 to 29. Oparin and Haldane independently suggested that if the primitive atmosphere was reducing and if there was appropriate supply of energy such as lightning of UV light, then a wide range of organic compounds can be synthesized here only. Okay. Up to this one you have to read very carefully. Okay, there is a small concept. What are the theories are there? Biogenesis, abiogenesis, then spontaneous theory, Big Bang theory, and also there is a creature, small special type of creature is there. You can read that type of theory is also there. For next class we will see There is a geological timetable. Okay, thank you, Anandal. Thank you.